Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to use Tonkeeper for NFT transactions. Now there are actually a lot of sites that we can visit in order for us to buy Ton compatible NFTs. So the first thing, or the one that I'm gonna recommend to you guys, is going to be the Ton Diamond. Alright, I want you to go ahead and open this one, and then after opening it, what you're gonna be doing is connecting your Ton wallet. So you have the connect option right here at the top. Go ahead and click that over there. And then what you're going to do is just choose the Tonkeeper right here, and basically it's gonna redirect you here. So it's asking me to connect. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, after doing so, you are now able to see that I am now connected here. Now what I'm going to be doing is just click the NFT right here in order for me to start browsing. So I'm going to go ahead and open, say for example, this one right here. I'm going to choose a view collection in order for me to see what are some of the things that I can buy right now. Alright, say for example, this one, I'm going to go ahead and click this over here. And yeah, it says that this is for sale for 27 tons. So what you're going to do is just tap the buy now button right here. Now, if say for example, you're not satisfied with the price, you can actually go ahead and click the make offer button right here. But yeah, say for example, I'm going to tap the buy now button. What's going to happen is that it's going to redirect me to my Ton wallet, and basically it's going to purchase that for me. Unfortunately, as of the moment, I don't have anything in here, but basically that is how you're going to use your Tonkeeper for NFT transactions.